Hello everyone, I'm posting this video one day earlier than I normally do. Welcome to week 4, lecture 4 of course. This is the check-in video that I'll outline regarding the course content that we will review this week. Lecture 4 is going to be really cool. It's going to be about how to create an effective resume. So I gave you my sample resume, which I included here, and I'm actually going to open really quickly. And not to say this is a great resume means, but it is an example of what we're looking for in your upcoming resume. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but that's what we're going to try to strive to do. But we're looking at creating a resume this week, but there is an assignment. So 2 things you have to do. There's an assignment this week, mini assignment, updating a cover letter. So you want to go through and go back to week 2 and look at what a cover letter is and submit a cover letter for this week. And then you want to look at week 4 review, post your initial post by Wednesday at midnight, and they reply by Sunday. Of course, this is of next week. Don't confuse week 3 with week 4. And there's going to be some interesting information here. Let's go to week 2 and do a quick reminder of what we talked about with the cover letter there. So a cover letter, the perfect cover letter, what is that? So I had a link that I shared here that you can pull up. Here's a sample cover letter that I included. I think it might be mine, but I would love to see yours look a little bit like this. Outlined what you're looking for in a job role. Of course, you're going to have your signature. If you don't know how to do that, it's fairly simple. I'm sure all of you have a smartphone. Just draw out your signature on a white piece of paper with a pen, take a picture of it, and then upload the picture to your computer to attach to the document. And that's the easiest way to do that. But you can use this as a sample. You can use a different kind of sample that you want. There's a lot online, but I want you to have a resume and a cover letter ready after this class. So that will help you as you start to apply for jobs after you graduate. So that's the goal here. So look at the information back in week 2 to submit for week 4, which is your cover letter, which is due. And then we're going to talk a little bit further about building a resume. And then, of course, you're going to do your week 4 review. And then when we jump into week 5, we're going to learn how to do a little bit more on the resume and then submit a sample resume as well. If you have any questions, please reach out. Like I said, this is one day earlier than I normally post, but I hope that you are able to do the research needed to finish up week 3 and then jump into a great week 4. Let me know if you need anything.